Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll to find the wallpaper section. Let's tap on it. I highly recommend to make sure that you've got the internet connection, because thanks to it you will be able to pick something from the online wallpapers, which are right here. You've got also the editor's pick, some kind of new wallpapers which has been added to the whole section of the online wallpapers, but of course if you do not have one right now, no worries, because you still have system wallpapers. So as you can see right here, we've got the albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. At the bottom we've got find more, so you will be also able to enter the online wallpapers. All we have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one, or maybe that one, I don't know, because to be honest there are a lot of beautiful options from which you can choose, and usually probably you won't be able to actually decide which one is the best. Alright, we've got it on the full screen, so right now we can kind of change the position of the wallpaper, so you can set it in the best position, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Of course, if you want to, you can turn on the carousel wallpaper. I don't want to do that right now, so just let me go back. We had this information, so we can go back, and also before we had also the information about the dynamic colors, which means that the colors from the wallpaper will be applied to the system. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.